just want to say thank you and thank you again. But if there's really one thing that I need when I go, it's just your prayers, because for the first time in my life, I'm realizing that my physical safety might be a jeopardy, and I'm going to be this small Chinese man among like big African Americans and Hispanics, and they're going to be pumped there. So if there's anything really that I would so appreciate in the time that I'm there, it's your prayers for safety, and for God to work, and for God to accomplish everything that He can in me and through me, for me to be the man that I know He wants me to be, and for me to achieve the things that I know He wants me to achieve, for the kingdom of God and for the kids. Thank you.